Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to do some sums from the exercise 14.4, and these questions are very important. Okay, so in this question you are asked to find the mean, median and mode. So what we are going to do is you have to write the numbers in ascending orders. Okay, so how to find the mean? So what you have to do is, for finding the means, you have to add all the observations. Okay, first part I'm doing the mean. So x1, x2, up to how many observations are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So up to x to the power 10 you have to write divided by total number of observation. So when you add all these numbers, 0 plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 9 28. So 28 by 10. So what is the value it is coming? 2.8. Okay, so this is the mean. Second, you have to find the median. Okay, so to find the median, you have to follow one formula. Since your n number observation is 10, that is equal to what? Even number. So how to find the median of an even number is simply you have to add the observation value divided by 2. N by 2 means your fifth observation and your sixth observation. So fifth observation means 0 1 2 3 4 5. So your fifth observation is 3. And what is your sixth observation? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so what is the answer you are getting? Your median is coming to be how much? This is coming to be 3. And third part is the mode. So mode is very simple. You have to see which number is repeating highest. So if you see the 3 number is repeating highest, so what is the answer for mode? It is simply your 3. So again you calculate 3. Okay, so this is the answer of your first question, that is mean, median and mode. Clear? Okay, let us go for question number 2. So again in 2 you can see you are given 15 average students marks are given out of 100 and it is recorded. Okay, so what we will do is directly let us write the numbers in ascending order. So first number will be 39, then see 40 is repeated twice. Okay, then comes 42, then comes 41, then it is coming 42. Okay, then it is coming 46, then it is coming 48, is not it? Then you can see 52 is repeated 3 times. Okay, then it is coming 54, 60, 62, 96, 98. So let us see whether we are getting 15 observations or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. It's not it. So first mean is you have to add all the numbers and you have to divide by 15. Okay, so total is coming 822 divided by 15. So we are getting approximately 54.8. Okay, mean. Median, now see here, for median your previous question was n equal to even number. Now your previous question is n equal to odd number. So odd number is very easy. Simply you have to add 1 and then you have to divide the number of observation by 2. So n plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16 by 2 is the 8 observation value will be the median for this answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the answer is 52. Okay, and the third is mode. So if you see the mode, you can see the number 52 is repeating, highest, that is 3 times. Okay, so the mode will be coming as your 52. Clear? Okay, next question number 3. So here you can see the datas are already arranged in the ascending order. So already arranged, 29 plus 29, 38, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. Okay, so here it is given that median is given to be 63. So you are asked to find the unknown x. Okay, so here what you have to do is, so all of you count how many total observations are here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then that is even, is not it? So how do we find the median of an even number? That is n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1 observation divided by 2. That is the 5th observation and your 6th observation divided by 2. So what is your 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th is x, 6th is your x plus 2 by 2, and median is already given 63, is not it? So 6, 12. So 2x plus 2. So 2x equal to 124. So your x value is coming to be 62. So the unknown value x is coming 62. So therefore the missing observation is 62 and 64. Okay. I hope all of you got the answer. Now the question number 4, what is given? Find the mode. So if you see, you have to first arrange the numbers in ascending order. So if you see, 14 is repeating how many times? 4 times. 18 is repeating 1, 2, 3 times, is not it? So if you see here, the correct answer is coming to be how much? 14. Okay, so this type of observations are known as what? Ungrouped observation. There is no any table, so you can easily calculate. Clear all of you? So the answer of question number 4 is 14. So let us move to question number 5. So if you see here you are given, find the mean salary of 60 workers. Okay, so if you see here, so 16 workers are earning this much amount, 12 workers are earning this much, is not it? So total how many workers are there? 60. So you are asked to find the mean salary for this worker. So here if you see, it is a chart given, okay, and it is written in standard table form. So this type of observations are known as what? Grouped observations. So here let us see how to calculate the mean in this type of questions. Okay, so in this question what you have to do is, you have to take this fi, this will be your xi, okay, and total observations here is 60 numbers of workers. So what you have to do is multiply this to column. So 48,000, then 48,000, is not it? Then 50,000, okay, then 48,000, 42,000, 32,000, 27,000, then 10,000. Okay, after that you have to calculate the sum of this. Okay, so mean will be summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So summation fi I am getting this much, okay, divided by 60. So if you divide this number, so it is coming average to be 5083.33 rupees. Okay, so mean of this observation table we are getting approximately 5083.33. Okay, so these are the solution for exercise 14.4. Thank you.